You can find almost anything on the internet these days, but how do you know whether what you're reading is fact or fiction? Hi, I'm Dr. Andrew Greenberger, a periodontist and participating Delta dental dentist. I am here to set the record straight about some common dental myths. Myth 1, there's no need to brush your baby's teeth. That's simply not true. Babies can get cavities just like adults. In fact, many baby foods are fruit-based, which can leave a sticky residue on teeth, and that can lead to tooth decay. Even though baby teeth will eventually fall out, they play an important role. They hold a place for our permanent teeth. Start your baby on the path to good oral health by using a wet washcloth on his or her gums. Then graduate to a soft toothbrush when the teeth come in. Myth 2, bad breath means you're not brushing correctly. Not necessarily. Bad breath comes from 3 places: our mouth, our nose, and our stomach. If you've ever eaten garlic, the scent you smell afterwards comes from your stomach. When you have drippy sinuses, that can cause an odor too. Tongue hygiene can also play a role, so it's not necessarily your brushing that's at fault. Of course, it's still important to brush at least 2 times a day and floss at least once to keep your mouth smelling clean and fresh. Myth 3, brushing causes gums to bleed. This is not true. If your gums are bleeding, that's a sign of periodontal disease. See a periodontist or your dentist, and be more attentive to brushing and flossing. Consider using an oral rinse or incorporating an oral hygiene tool, such as a power toothbrush, to improve oral care. Myth 4, placing an aspirin on a tooth helps with the pain of a toothache. This will not work. Aspirin is actually acetylsalicylic acid, which is derived from salicylic acid, the ingredient used to burn off warts. Think of what it does to warts, then imagine what damage it can do to your teeth. Aspirin on a tooth is also in contact with the inside of the cheek. This can cause the cheek tissue and the gums to get burned, so don't put an aspirin directly on a tooth. Myth 5, only sugar is bad for your teeth. Sugar helps cause cavities, but do you know what else damages your teeth? Anything that's acidic. That includes citrus juices and fruits, sodas, and sports drinks. They can soften the enamel and cause it to erode. Stay away from acid. And if you have an acidic drink, rinse your mouth with water afterwards. For more facts about your teeth, try these websites. Knowing the facts can help you stay healthy, and that is something to smile about.